Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making a corn casserole. Recipes down in the description box for your convenience. And let's go make this corn. Okay, we have 1 can of sweet corn drained. And we have 1 can of cream of corn. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can just melt that right in your microwave. 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to mix this all together. Okay, we have a 9 by 13 baking pan. Shoot it with some non-stick. And we're going to pour our batter into this pan. Spread it out. Now we're going to bake this for a ½ hour, 350 degrees. Okay, we had it in the oven for about 30 minutes. It's been out for about 15. And look at that. Let's just spoon some to a little bowl. And we have some corn casserole. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh yeah, thick texture, sweetness, the corn. Oh yeah. The flour really thickened it up. Perfect side dish. Till next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.